Welcome to Ace Fire Defense, your ultimate source for professional fire hoses and accessories. Looking for top-notch fire hoses and accessories? Look no further. Ace Fire Defense specializes in manufacturing professional-grade fire hoses and accessories, all FM approved for your peace of mind. Whether it's building fire cabinets or safeguarding homes, our products are your first line of defense against fire emergencies. We provide factory direct access to consumers in every region, ensuring you can get high-pressure water moving where it's needed most. Our focus is clear. We manufacture and deliver the most important lightweight single-jacket 75 feet by 1.5-inch fire hose with aluminum NH threaded couplings, the solid brass gated wide valve fire hydrant or water pump hose splitter, fire hydrant wrench, and fire hose nozzles for hassle-free installations. We've got you covered in every area that demands lightweight professional fire hoses. Worried about making the right choice? Don't be. We offer a no-questions-asked return policy within 60 days for unopened and unused hoses. If our products don't meet your expectations in terms of quality, simply send them back for a full refund. Ace Fire Defense, your safety, our priority. Get the fire hoses and accessories you can trust today. The beginning to your journey to defending your home against wildfires requires very little training and a few simple steps to follow. Remember, planning is a mindset and strategy with the right tools. 1. Locate the fire hydrant and ensure it's accessible and functioning properly. 2. Unroll the fire hose and lay it out between the hydrant and the area you need to protect. 3. Inspect the hose for any damage or blockages before attaching it. 4. Connect the Y valve to the hydrant's outlet, ensuring it's securely fastened. 5. Attach the female coupling of the fire hose to one of the Y valve outlets. 6. Attach the other end of the hose to the adjustable fog spray nozzle. 7. Open the hydrant's valve to initiate the flow of water. 8. Hold the adjustable fog spray nozzle securely and aim it at the embers or fire. 9. Gradually adjust the nozzle handle to control the water flow and adjust it to a fog spray setting for effective dispersal. 10. If needed, you can use two hoses to defend two different areas with the Y valve to allow water to flow through both outlets for additional hose connections.
Hey, my name is Jim Reese. I'm a firefighter in advanced EMT. I'd like to take a moment and give a shout out to my friends at Ace Fire Preparedness. Look at what they have to offer, as well as products, training videos. They're here to help you out and to protect your land, your property.
It's in serving each other we become free.
What we really want to do is be prepared to move. Okay, you should have your go bags to go if you're going to leave. Have your medicines. Something I have on my key ring, I have a 32 gig thumb drive. All my financial information, I keep this all in an encrypted folder. So when I leave my house, I have what I need to go. You can put a video or files of what your property values, so you have something to take to your insurance company later. Another thing everybody should have at their home. What you should do is you should put this in your closet with Band-Aids stapled to it. On one side it says okay, on the other side it says help. After an earthquake, as you guys are starting to build your own community response teams within your park or within your neighborhoods, okay, if you walk up to a house and you see this sticking on the window, you're walking right past this house, okay? What we have done, and this is from real experience, is 3 minutes per house for us to knock on a door and check on a house. 3 minutes, okay? If your team is covering 20 homes only 20 homes, and the person that needs help is in that 20th home, how long does it take me to get from that first house to the last house? It's 1 hour. In 1 hour, that person's dead. If everybody had this in their house, I'm okay. You're walking right past that house. You just saved 3 minutes per house that has this in their windows.